And joining us now is the NCBA's Director of Beef Quality Assurance, Chase DeCoit. And Chase, it's been fun to catch up with you here at the Cattle Industry Convention and NCBA Trade Show to talk about your Stockmanship and Stewardship program.
Yeah, certainly, Russell. We're excited to have another year of Stockmanship and Stewardship. You know, last year we launched an enhanced Stockmanship and Stewardship program, hitting 5 cities on our regional tour, and this year we're going to do the same. So we're excited to reach more producers than we ever had before. The reviews are raving, and hopefully someone will be able to join us out there.
I like the tag, education for you and your bottom line. What are some of the things that cattlemen and cattlewomen are going to see at these different programs?
Yeah, you know, with these regional stockmanship and stewardship events, it's beyond just the low-stress stockmanship in the pens. They're going to learn everything from a BQA training to possible practices that are localized and regionalized that can help them profit on their operation. Some things they may not have heard of and some innovative techniques.
Well, there's been a lot of advancements in the area of beef quality assurance, or BQA, if you will, and it really is kind of set a new standard for all of us in the livestock industry.
Yeah, certainly. Many will acclaim that the BQA program is the industry standard, and that's exactly what this industry set out to do 30 years ago when the Checkoff funded the Beef Quality Assurance Program. Create a standard, enhance beef production, and to create a more profitable, tastier, safe product for the consumer.
Well, and I know it's going to be really rewarding for those folks in these different regions this coming year to have this sort of information brought to you, but it's also pretty cool to have this sort of information on site at the annual convention inside of a trade center too.
Yeah, exactly. So every year we kind of kick off our Stockmanship and Stewardship tour right here at the Cattle Industry Convention in the NCBA Trade Show at the demonstration arena. Ron Gill and Kurt Pate, two of our best clinicians, 2 of the top names in the industry, are right here on site where people can learn from them, but also talk to them. They're roving around here in this demonstration arena. They're cattlemen just like you, and they want to help those out there and share their techniques.
Now, Kurt and Ron are going to be part of these nationwide programs too?
Exactly. So Kurt and Ron will both be at each of our regional events across the country, and cattlemen just can't get enough of them. Every time we put them out there in those pens to show off what they do with that low-stress stockmanship, everyone has that aha moment, and we're looking for more of those this year.
Anything else, Chase, while we got you here?
Just that you can join us anytime at stockmanshipandstewardship.org.
All right, perfect. Well, thanks for joining us on Cattlemen to Cattlemen.
Thank you, Russell.
All right, that's going to do it from here. Kevin, we'll go ahead and send it back to you.